Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to announce that I'm participating in PoetSpice's ATC cards, ATC coins 2020 here on YouTube. We're going to make 2 ATC cards or 2 ATC coins every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come and join us on Mondays, and I'll have all the collaborators down below so you can go and check them out. They're all talented ladies, and I am honored to be on this collaboration. So I kind of joined in late, but I had some ATCs that I already made just to have on hand. And if you're not aware what an ATC is, it stands for Artist Trading Cards, and the measurements are 2.5 by 3.5. An Artist Trading Coin or Artist Trading Card coin is just a circle, measures between, you could do from 2 to 3 inches. And I've been wanting to make the coins, so I'm really excited about this collaboration. So here are a couple ATCs that I have made. This one, I just added some book pages in the background. I've added some lace. This is a die cut. I think on my stash I have tons of die cuts. Or dies to cut out. I added a button. Here's a Tim Holtz doll. I added some bling, and yeah, so this is a vintage style ATC. And then the next one is kind of like a mixed media-ish ATC. I added some, I think these are balsa wood numbers from the Dollar Tree, and I added them to the, I think this is a playing card. I added some buttons from my stash, and then I gessoed it. After I dried, I added some metallic paint, and these are the two colors that I used. And after that was dried, I stamped with, I think it's archival ink from Ranger, and I added it here and there to my ATC. So it's kind of a mixed media-ish ATC, and you can do so much to these ATCs, and those are two different ATCs that I'm sharing today for PoetSpice's ATC card, ATC coin 2020 collaboration. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone.